what's poppin', y'all? It's your girl, the SASS, exploring all the finer things in life. Guys, if you guys could tell from the title, yes, you read correctly. Your girl is getting ready for travel. Finally, it's a travel maintenance vlog, and I'm bringing you guys with me as I get all packed and prepped and maintained for travel, okay? So you guys are not gonna wanna miss that, all right? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell because y'all gonna wanna see this turn up, all right? Let's do this. What's poppin', y'all? Welcome back. Right about now, currently I'm on my way to the nail shop to get my feet done because it's time to do my feet. I'm only doing my feet today because on my trip I'm wearing press-on nails. Nowadays I hardly ever actually like do my nails at the nail shop. I just do the press-on nails only because like, you know, my profession and what I do, we can have long clawed nails, you know what I mean? So like I F's with the press-on nails because I'm able to take them off, put them on whenever I want to. If I have a day off and I feel like putting on the press-on nails today and I work tomorrow, I know that I can take them right off. So I'm not gonna be doing my hands, but I will be doing my feet. I'll also be doing these eyebrows. I know I barely have eyebrows, but trust me, after they are shaped, it's like all good. So yeah, those are the two things I'm going to do right about now. And of course you guys are gonna come with me, okay? So let's go. Y'all, I'm back from getting my pedi. Nothing too extravagant. I literally went with just a white French tip instead of like painting the whole nails. My nail that I had before was all blue, and I just went with some normal tips. And yes, we are finally ready to get into some pack and prep, so let's go and do that. Okay, as you can see, this is most of the items that I am carrying with me to travel. That's the suitcase that I'm carrying there. What I have right here, this pile right here is like all my swimwear that I'm going to bring. Along the side here I have some pairs of heels. This is not all the heels. I still need my all black heels. I'm gonna carry some runners, maybe my 13s, and some flats. This little corner, as you can see here, it has my laptop. That right here is my GoPro. That's my GoPro stick. That's the charger for my camera, and just little knickknacks here to carry with me. And this is another GoPro protection holder I can put around my neck if I don't want to carry the GoPro stick. Yeah, right here is my casual wear. I know you guys don't really see what I have here. You just see in a pile, but I'm kind of running behind time, so I kind of threw everything into piles just kind of to separate them. But this right here is my casual wear, like my everyday, if I'm going out and just walking or we're gonna go do road. That's my pile right here. This right here is my party pile. This is the pile just in case we go to the club and we party and turn up. That's my little pile right here. This little pile right here is my going out to dinner pile. A couple outfits, not too much, just in case, you know, I want to dress up and go to dinner. You guys probably seen this outfit before already. I wore that. Funny enough, these here under this pile too, there's a lot of other dresses that I can either dress up or dress down. with, so I have enough going out outfits just in case. This right here is my makeup bag. All my makeup and stuff is in here, my makeup essentials. I have some hair stuff in there. I have my little perfume there. I actually have like 3-4 different perfumes just in case, you know, if I want to switch it up. So that's my makeup bag there. I went to Walmart and the dollar store. I just have like this body scrub here. I got this, it's called a travel toothbrush. It actually like folds. It's really cute. I got me some deodorant. Got me some body wash. What else do I have in here? I got me some sunscreen because it's gonna be very, very hot. This is another one of my travel perfumes. This is the Tom Ford. I got just my tooth floss. I got mouthwash. Funny enough, there was a travel size mouthwash that was for like $2.50, and then I seen these on sale also for $2.50, so I picked up the medium size. What's in here? What's in here? Another travel perfume. This is Good Girl. I got this for my birthday from my sister, along with another set. Another perfume, which is Versace. What else is in here? And some toothpaste. Okay, so that's what's in this bag. This little Shein bag is just all my hair products, mousse, hair mousse, just a brush. Oh my goodness, another perfume. This is Guess Girl. Y'all saw me talk about this perfume already. Oh my goodness, so this is just body shimmer. This is basically the Good Girl by Carolina, I think her name is. Then what else in the bag is just my my curling iron, and if you look down there deep side, you see my Got2b and all that good stuff. So this is just like my hair product bag to keep all my hair products. So this little pile right here is just all my bags that I'm gonna take on the trip. I'm carrying this little backpack just to carry my tripod. Definitely carrying that or whatever gear I need, so that like I'm not walking around with it in my hand, because as you can see, like these bags are small. They could definitely not take my tripod. This, I'm carrying my Nathaniel Knorr bag, of course, so I can rock that. I'm carrying my Kate Spade bag. This is the bag right here that I'll be carrying my laptop, my this mini essentials bag, because even though I'm going on vacation, I still got a lot of work to do, not only in my personal life but for you guys. Like, I got a lot of editing to do, you guys. It's gonna be lit. Like, so I have to carry my laptop because I have a couple meetings coming up that I have to attend. I'm gonna carry my Clorox wipes because you can never be like too sure, like you don't know what the people that might touch up and if they clean or not, so that will go in there. I'm definitely carrying my book of ideas and just scribbling down some ideas, maybe when I'm on a plane or even while I'm on vacation, just ideas to maybe add to my video. So that's definitely going in there. I'm gonna have a case for all my chargers, everything, my phone charger, my iPod's charger, you can see my watch right there, my watch charger, my laptop charger, my camera charger. Did I say my GoPro charger? That too, like everything. Then around my waist, I'm gonna carry my Lululemon. Don't wash that, it's kind of dirty. So I'm gonna put some pens, my passport, my money, anything I need. This is gonna go around my waist, so it's not gonna be a part of my travel on, but I'm gonna leave it in there because I don't want to forget this. This is important. Y'all can see already, I have my passport. For now, right now, I have my passport in here. I have some money, I have some gum, I have my lip gloss in here. So like, this is very, very important. I cannot forget this or I will be doomed, honey. Doom. Let's not waste any time. Let's get to packing, y'all. Let's pack all this stuff in my suitcase. right, you guys, at this current moment, I had just came out the shower and I also just did my hair. Funny enough, when I was packing my suitcase, when I finished packing and like I was filling the suitcase, it felt so heavy. And like, you know, usually I'm able to kind of tell if, oh, okay, is this 50 pounds? But because I haven't been on vacation for so long and haven't used my suitcase for so long, I can't tell if I'm like hitting it close or if it's just me overthinking it. So I ended up having to go back and take a couple outfits out of my suitcase, just in case, because even my travel on is like really heavy. After I put my laptop in there and stuff like that, there's gonna be no space because I also do have extra outfits in there too. Plus I still haven't packed my all black heels and some flats. And what's funny about that is that I'm gonna have to end up wearing some runners so that I don't have to put that in my suitcase and that to take the weight off. I'm really hoping that when it's time to travel and they check the weight of my suitcase, everything is all good and is okay and I'm just overthinking it. Because usually when I travel, especially where it's somewhere hot, like my suitcase is okay. Like I'm like hitting 30 pounds. But like today, because I have all my gear, I have a lot of heavy stuff like my feminine products, my hair tools and stuff like that. It's like, and some pairs of heels is like running it really close. So worst case scenario, I might have to just take out the extra outfits in my travel on, put them in my suitcase and take out all my shoes and heels out my suitcase and put it in my travel on, which hopefully I don't have to do. So yeah, I already did my hair. I'm just kind of waiting for it to kind of like dry and stuff like that. I'm going to start doing my nails. These are the nails that I'll be rocking with right here. This is why I don't do my nails at the nail store anymore, because I fucks with the press-ons, because just like due to my profession and all that stuff, like we can't wear long nails. So I like to be able to just press on, take off whenever I feel like it. We're gonna do that and finally close up the suitcase, do what we gotta do, and just wait until it's time to travel, okay? And I know what you guys are thinking, like, girl, where are you going? You never even mentioned that. And honestly, I'm not going to, because that wouldn't be fun, would it? You guys have to join me next week, okay, to see where I'm going, all right? I'm definitely gonna leave you guys up in the air and wondering, but you're not gonna wanna miss this turn up, honey. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you guys don't miss out, okay? And yeah, I'm just gonna style my hair up. I'm gonna do these nails and I'm gonna see you next week in my next video. Bye, guys.